Hello guys, today I'm coming to you with some vegan tacos, and we're just gonna make kind of like a standard ground beef tacos but with Beyond Beef crumbles. So if you guys want to see how to cook some vegan tacos, keep watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just throw some onions with some coconut oil onto the pan. Today we're going to use Beyond Beef plant-based ground, and I love this because it is no soy and no gluten. So I'm going to show you how to make this. So when you open the package, this is what it looks like. I'm going to split it in half because I don't eat the whole thing and I can save the rest for later. So when you first add it, it's going to be this bulk, but you're going to have to mush it down like this. I'm not really a big fan of taco seasoning, so I'm just gonna use this adobo seasoning from Frontier Co-op, and I'll also be adding some paprika to it. So there it is with the seasoning. So this is kind of how it's going to look like when it's done. Do not overcook. This really takes like 4 or 5 minutes to cook. And some may still look pink, but it's cooked, I promise. Alright, so I already have my onions cut up. You'll need tomato, avocado, and some cilantro. We're going to wash these up really good and chop them up. For tortillas, we're going to be using the Siete brand, the cashew flour tortillas. And just put a little bit of oil and just wait until it gets a little bit toasty. I like them a little crunchy. Did this just turn into a mukbang? Hope you guys love these, so I'm gonna try them. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys try this recipe out, and if you do, please let me know. I hope you guys are having a great time in quarantine, and until next time, bye.